I'm attorney Tim Semelroth with RSH Legal. If you have recently lost a loved one due to someone else's negligence, your mind may be reeling. You may be considering a wrongful death lawsuit, but that can seem like a big decision. In this post, we outline 3 secrets that a wrongful death attorney wants you to know so you can make an informed decision about bringing such a case. Number 1, you don't have much time to bring an Iowa wrongful death claim. The amount of time you have to file a wrongful death lawsuit in Iowa is 2 years from the date of death. This is known as the statute of limitations. If you do not settle your wrongful death claim or file a lawsuit within that time, you cannot recover compensation. That does not mean you should wait until 2 years is nearly up before contacting a lawyer. Most wrongful death claims are complex cases and need an experienced Iowa wrongful death attorney to investigate them properly. This investigation can include gathering your loved one's medical records, interviewing witnesses, and consulting with experts. Also, if your loved one was killed in an accident, the attorney must often analyze the crash scene through pictures or other methods. Number 2, you should not post about the case or your loved one on social media. Now, we understand that you are likely missing your loved one. To remember them, you may feel the need to share memories and photos on Facebook or Instagram. Before you do so, know that the insurance company for the other side is likely watching your social media for any posts they can use against you. Even if you believe you haven't posted anything bad, the insurance company can still try to use your post to lowball you in settlement negotiations. They will stop at nothing to keep you from getting fair compensation. Privacy settings won't help either. In recent years, some judges have ordered plaintiffs to send defendants any social media posts they have made during their claim, even if their privacy settings have been activated. It's important to remember what is considered private online really isn't private. That is why your attorney will often ask you to stop posting on social media until your claim is settled or goes to trial. Number 3, your wrongful death case will take a while. Wrongful death cases can take months or even years to settle. If you do not settle your case and have to go to trial, your case can take even more time to resolve. This is because these types of cases can be complex, and certain investigation must happen before either side can negotiate a fair settlement. In addition, the court will require some types of wrongful death damages to be calculated by an economic expert. Such damages include loss of income and loss of household services. For example, let's say the victim is a worker whose spouse stays home and takes care of the children. Under Iowa law, the spouse may be entitled to the money that the worker would have earned during his or her lifetime. This amount can be difficult to calculate, especially because raises, bonuses, and cost of living increases must be factored into the amount. So an attorney will likely have to hire an economic expert to make these calculations. An experienced wrongful death attorney will explain each step of the claim process to you during your initial consultation. They will want you to be aware of exactly what the process involves and how you will be affected. If you have lost a loved one due to someone else's fault and you would like to speak with an experienced Iowa wrongful death lawyer, call RSH Legal today at 1-800-433-0283.